The plan of the government is to do a total of 8 courts of this kind in the country, so that in every region in Kenya, we have a court that is based within the prison premises. Fortunately, we don't have a problem with land. We have sufficient land, and the Commissioner General, should the Chief Justice need more than 2 acres, I want to assure him we will gladly give him, so that you are able to have the premises you need here, so that we can address the dispensation of justice as fast as we can. And we will move on now to other regions in the country and figure out how we can build up facilities of this kind, so that we reduce the amount of time it takes to move those that have got to go to court from the remand premises to the courts.
I want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President for putting in a word for us, to the Treasury, to release funds to us to enable us to deal with those cases. And I want to assure the country that we are going to deal with those cases expeditiously and according to law. I have said before that the suspects of corruption being brought to court have nothing to worry at all, that their cases will not be handled as required by law. What we are emphasizing is that those cases will have to be heard on a day-to-day basis. That does not mean that we are skipping any step. What we are doing instead is actually having those cases heard as quickly as possible, so that we are able to deal with others.